See, his integrity. Today, in public life, integrity has become very scarce. So integrity is very important, which was there in Manmohan Singh we should learn. A very quiet person, speak less, and he was working more in the interest of the nation, in the interest of the nation's people. Today, if our innovation has been there, gone, if unemployment was a big issue, price-wise was a big issue, he is the person who tried to tackle these issues. And today, country, he brought on the state road path. Economically, he made the country strong. Today, India is not recognized as a weak country. India is recognized as a very powerful country. Why? Not because of its population. It is because financially we are strong. Army-wise, defense we are strong. So people are recognizing us as one of the countries to reckon with, and everybody wants India's friendship today.
So we need to honor him with a lot of respect.
Yes, so I said that the government led by Prime Minister Modi ji should honor him with Bharat Ratna, because he has done a lot of sacrifices in his life. He also came from a poor family with a lot of struggle. He has come up. He never expected to be the Prime Minister of the country. It is Sonia Gandhi ji who took the initiative to make him Prime Minister.
But they call him accidental Prime Minister, but his performance is unimaginable.
They may be calling him anytime those days. Now nobody calls. Nobody says he was one of the best Prime Ministers of the country.